sure tends to be. The rear end of this truck starts to go down and it just continues to drop and drop. He nearly drags the bumper on the ground once he gets all the way down there, but he keeps the RPM open and away goes Cody Krieger. Coming your way here, he's the second puller and he's got to beat 237 feet and 11. Out of the hole he comes. Got a good pull going, not showing any signs of slowing down right yet. We'll see, that's going to be a nice one. And we stopped John. We're going to need to get a disc. Okay.
Okay, so we just did our first pass at Quyon. Didn't go as planned, so that's alright. The spark plugs look weird, really hot. Don't know if we still don't have enough fuel in it. I don't know. It did run better. It ran all the way down, didn't miss. So still progress, but not exactly where I want it yet. Didn't lock out the transmission. I don't know, maybe I should have. I don't know. So we're probably gonna go for the open class or the 6,500 pound class and see what happens then.